Hi friends, this is Lakshmi Deepak here. Today I'm just gonna explain you how the public groups and then queues. Sorry, let me say public groups under users, manage users. In this we have two categories. One is public group and second one is personal group, which is created by user. Public group is created by can be able to create by administrator, and personal group can be created individual user. What is a public group? Public groups are a set of users. They can contain individual users, other groups. The users in a particular role are territory, or the users in a particular role are territory plus all the users below that the role in the hierarchy. It means a set of users comes into sustained character category is called group. Let's take how the queues will be. The uh, queues will provide ownership to the records. Queues will provide ownership to the records. The queues contains a group of users to manage the shared workload more effectively. That means to reduce the more. We know the queue is a first in, first out. This is all. For this explanation, I'm just gonna use a small object called case and a small rule called sharing settings and the security controls. Okay, let us see how the navigation will goes on. Let us say on time's sake I just created some users and predefined. I will show how to edit. Just click on manage users and click on public groups. I have opened here and I just created ILD tech group is my and just it's you have a new label by creating label and just selected the only one user. If you select here you have a list of users here. If you say subordinates, roles based on groups you can select any whatever you want. Select and just selected one is Vasavi Inukurti Vasavi. I'm just saving out is my group. Under queues what I will do here, see here I just created ILDQ1 here where I have named as a and I just selected only case object here instead of selecting everything, and I have here right. See, if I remove this one, if I select roles and subordinates, so we have a lot of things. If I select publish, already I created a group, so I'm just assigning a work to this group from the queue. I'll take group and just adding save. What you will do here, and we have another option called we have to give access control for the rules. What you will do, just select access control, and I had already created, just open the thing and it must be active where I have a new rule. So what you will do here, I will edit here. Okay, one, if case origin, if I select here you will get a lot of things of the fields from the case object, and then select equals to the phone. It is a lookup relation. You can select the phone object from the drop down list. See here, pick up list q1. It is a mandatory field which selects the group. See, consider you can provide the user say it lists the number of users. See here, it lists the number of users containers in the field. I'm just gonna use queue here because to automate my work as soon as possible, to assign a lot of work to a group of people which assign a queue. See here I have Q1. I just selected and just click the save button and go with the sharing rules, sharing controls under sharing tab. You will say security controls under sharing setting. Just click on that and just click edit button. Actually what we have to do, in generally we have four things: private, public read only, public reader write, public reader. In generally we have an option enabled public read write transfer. I'm just selecting the private here. Click on save button, so it will save up. What I will do here, I will now create a records. I will now create a cases here by satisfying the criteria. First I will create a record by clicking and just selecting the contact here. I have a green way working high priority, and I'm just selecting what we given as a criteria is a phone. I'm just selecting email now for sake. Email field as soon as possible. It's not mandatory. And just click on assign using the active users because we have criteria on as active users. Just click save. What you will do here, the see here the case owner is Lakshmi Deepak. We didn't change anything. What I will do here, I will create another user. Before that, I will show you the difference between this thing. I'm just opening the private browser. I'm just logging in. I'm just logging to one of my user in my organization, that is vasavi@deepak.in. It's the credential to get to the access. Sorry. See here, you have a login here, and you will find a cases too because it is a Salesforce license, so you can access. Just click on cases in the user. See here, it is go to Vasavi, and just click on all cases. Just go. So you have no records to display here because it is case owner and we have given as a private. So what I will do here, I will create a new case which satisfies the requirement phone field working on priority high, and then select anything as a gems. What I will do here, phone field, assign users. Just click on save. What happens here? It's just creating. What I will do here, I will go here and I will refresh the. So you will have a case here. So you don't have any option. What you will do here, actually it is from each profile. So you will see case one is ILDQ1. What you will see, just select ILDQ1. Here we have a accept. Once you accept the thing, that means consider there is a people, there are 10 people under one category. If you created a case, consider if you're going with a service center by taking your laptop, if you have issue, software issue, once you given as a feedback in the front desk, once you taking a complaint, they will send the technical team by staying. Instead of working, that means if I send the token issue to the people who's going to handle your computer, they will be a case owner till the time, because how it will be, it is a group of people, right? Once you assign a work to one, if there are 10 people, among 10, if one will accept the issue, so that issue becomes invisible to remaining 9 people, because once he accepted the thing, he will become a case owner. Once a case owner, because we made the cases are private, so once the user selected, once a user in the queue selected, it becomes inactive for all the users, default users in that group. So this is how we can efficient the workload on different technicians on the group. So here, if I accept here, see here, you have an accept button. If I click accept, what I will do here, automatically the case owner, see here, what I will do here, cases, what happens here, phone field, just select on phone field. Now see the case owner, it becomes Nikurti Vasavi, right? This is how it will get changed. Once it becomes, this is a system name, so I can able to view the things. If not, see, if you have doubt, if I can share my personal settings, see here, email field is not satisfying. What I will do here, I will share here, click on share button to share. If you don't know the solution, just transfer your case to the other user who is existing in organization. Just click team and click save. Here read only, read or write. What I will do, I will select read only and just click save. It's shared. You can refresh the page here. Wait a second, what I will do here, just click yeah. Okay, it satisfies the group, right? So we don't want to do that. It needs criteria. What you will do, I will set a user base Vasavi, save, and go and refresh here. You have it. See here, just click on all cases. You have 2 tokens. One is I love Ash. See here, the status is, okay, wait a minute, all cases, all open cases. See here, you have access for an email field here, because once we selected the share, what you will do, just open the thing. See here, the case owner is Lakshmi Deepak. Even though Lakshmi Deepak, because once I think, close the case. You don't have privileges because I didn't give it that much of respect, but I can able to close here. If I select the cases on the form field, I can close. See here, it will ask the rules because status, close, installation. So what's the problem command and solution for the next step. If we have a same issue again comes in the same product, instead of searching for a solution again and again, for time's sake, we are just saving the solutions. Here, the technician have to comment here for future purpose. So this is how we can reduce the workload on different users more effectively in the organization to automate the work as soon as possible. And thanks for watching this tutorial, and I will show you the notes here how you have to manage. What you will do here, just click on OK. I will show you the browser. It's better to use you. Only I will provide this URL in my description video. Description is not a matter where you are going to access this. It will open in this manner. See how it is. Close and just click on salesforcenotes.com. It redirect to the thing and just click on the basic sales. If you have to study, you can study, or else just skip the thing, basic concepts in salesforce.com. Here we have a navigation to call public groups and queues. Just click on public groups, whatever you want. I'm just gonna see back to previous page, or to know more about the public groups. That means how to create in the step-by-step process I just given in this link. Just go in this link. So you have a bunch of information here. Group member type, sharing records with manager. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a great time. Bye bye.